So if you want to use the Tatcha, the blah, 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 blah. Hey, summer hens, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I am Naomi. This is Summer Hen Beauty, a brand new channel devoted to all things beauty for people who are not spring chickens anymore, but they still want to look gorgeous. Today we're doing another Should I Buy It? Summer Hen Carrie saw my massive stash of the little samples of the Tatcha water cream in my Sephora 100 points reward review. Wow, that was kind of hard to say. If you haven't seen it, it should be right over there. And she asked me to do a Should I Buy It review on the Tatcha Violet C Radiance Mask. It's purple. It's expensive. We're going to try it out. You ready? Let's roll. All right, here goes. This is Tatcha's Violet C Radiance Mask. Isn't that a pretty little jar? It's a pretty little jar. We'll talk about that in a second. In this quick video, I am going to tell you what it is. I'm going to tell you how to use it. I'm going to tell you what my experience was like, and I'm going to tell you, should you buy it? Okay, I have 3 quick things I want to talk about before we get the stuff on my face. Number 1, marketing. Let's see what they say it does, according to the good people at Tatcha. Reveal remarkably softer, smoother skin with this creamy rinse-off treatment mask. The formula features 2 types of vitamin C. A water-soluble vitamin C derivative that absorbs quickly for an immediate glow, and an oil-soluble vitamin C derivative that remains in skin longer, providing antioxidant protection from UV damage for a brighter, more even-toned appearance over time. The mask is also powered by the Japanese beauty berry, a superfruit rich in antioxidants that was found to stabilize vitamin C, maximizing its effectiveness. A gentle 10% AHA complex of 7 fruits removes debris and the buildup of dead skin cells to visibly improve skin texture and support the natural production of new skin cells. That's what they say it's going to do. That's what we're testing. Does it do it? Okay, next thing I want to talk. I'm a little skeptical about masks. I'm one of those people, I buy masks, but I don't actually use them. I buy them because I'm sucked in by their sexy marketing claims, but I don't actually use them because I always feel a little bit weird about, are they going to work? And I think a big part of it is this. This retails for $68 American, $79 Canadian, okay? If we were to look at my moisturizer, if you haven't seen my moisturizer review, that is the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide. That's about the same price. I put that on and it stays on my face all night. And I get to keep it for like 3 months. This stays on my face for 20 minutes and I get to keep it for like 3 uses. And so I always have a bit of a skepticism going into this. So we shall see what happens. Third, I want to talk about the packaging. This thing is a work of art. Okay, this could go in MoMA. All right, this, I wish I had kept all of the packaging, but it has gone to a better place, also known as yesterday was recycling day. Okay, so this comes in like a box, and the box comes in a box. And in that box comes like a drawer, okay? And the drawer has a drawer pull. And there's like a little, like, explaining the Japanese beauty geisha things and ingredients and how to use. And then there's like a little spoon, and the spoon was beautiful but useless, so I threw it out. The packaging was amazing. The unboxing of this just made my heart go pitter-patter, which is wonderful. It made me feel like an absolute princess. But on the other side, when luxury beauty products put this much into their packaging, the other side of that is at $79, I kind of wonder how much of that $79 went into my drawer pull and how much went into the spoon and the box for the box. And so it's always a little bit difficult because I love the packaging. It's so pretty. It feels so good. But at the same time, how much would that price go down if it was just in a nice box? I don't know. So anyway, those are my 3 things that I noticed. Going into this, I will say there is a lot of shimmer in the mask itself. You probably can't see it, but when it's on your hands, you can. There's a lot of shimmer in the mask itself. Okay, if a product has shimmer in it visibly, that's mica, okay? It's finely ground mica, so any of the brightening that we might get, that might be super cool, super rad vitamin C derivatives, or it could be sparkly powder. So Don't know. Gonna see what happens. I'm gonna go take my makeup off. I'll be back in like 1 second. All right? See you soon. Let's try it. Take a look. It's pretty purple. It's purple. It smells like Sprite with grapes in it. Bah! Bah! It's gonna make an interesting thumbnail. Okay, I'm putting it on my face. And okay, it feels really cool. And we're putting it on my face. We're putting it on my face. Feels cool. Slides on nicely. Now I look like I kind of have war paint, which I'm kind of digging. If war paint was like this, I don't think they'd have so many conscription problems. Like I said, this comes with a little spoon thing, which I threw out instantly. It's useless, but it's pretty. There you go. Putting it on my face. It does feel really nice going on. You know how clay masks sort of feel like you have to sort of yank them across your face? Yeah, this doesn't feel like that. This feels pretty awesome. Pretty hard to describe though. There is purple stuff on my face. Tra-la-la-la-la. Just needed a moment there. Okay, we're gonna put it. Oh dear. And it's in my hair. Okay. Shower soon. Maybe we'll do a shampoo review. Okay. It's going on my face. It's going on my face. It's getting. Oh, now I'm just giving up. I don't even care. Look, fine, whatever. Get it in my hair. I don't even care anymore. I don't even care. Alright. It's cool. It's going on nicely. It's very purple. I think I used to have this as an accent wall in Jack's room. I think it is on my face. Now, if I wanted to get really snazzy or be topless on YouTube, I could put this on my chest as well, but I don't think we're going to do that. There you go. So far, it feels good. Fine. Lightly tingly. Lightly tingly. Okay. I'm purple. All right. I have successfully washed my face. Okay. So this was really nice to come off. It came off super easily. You know how masks sometimes you gotta sort of chisel them off? No, this came off beautifully. Really, really nice. Always a good idea because I have redness. One of the challenges I face with masks a lot is that when I try to take them off, the scrubbing of trying to get them off will counteract any value of any soothing or calming that the mask actually has. So cool water, gentle, gentle strokes. I will say my skin feels crazy soft right now. I will say that. But they have said that this is a really good mask to put on before makeup. I have read it on the collective advice that is the internet. So I'm going to give that a try. I'm going to try putting on my makeup on, and I'm going to come back to you, and I will give you my thoughts. Stay right there. I've successfully put on my makeup. I have not successfully fixed my nails. Anyway, we're here now. All right. What do I think? This mask went on beautifully. The mask came off beautifully. It created much softness in my face, and it did make my makeup go on stunningly. I will say that. Ooh boy, did this ever smooth. High five, thumbs up, Tatcha. Now, should you buy it? Here's what I think. If you are buying this as a critical component of your skincare regimen, your money could be better spent on pretty much anything else. If you are buying this as a really fun luxury treat, this is a great use of your funds, okay? If you do pick it up, I think putting it on in the morning or before makeup would be a really good choice. It would be nice for putting on before you put makeup on for a really nice night out, but you always want to make sure to try it in advance. Try a thin layer so you don't just waste it, but you want to make sure that your skin doesn't overreact to it. So this is not really the thing to try the night before your daughter's wedding. Okay. So try it on first if you're going to be using it for that reason, but it really does make your makeup go on very beautifully, I must say. And I'm a bit of a primer girl. I like me some good primers. This primed well. I gotta tell you, I am wearing much less makeup than I usually wear, and it went on stunningly. So, what else did I want to say? Yeah, if you want to buy it, wear it I have notes, in the morning. I would say this would be really good for a girls' night in, a spa day with your daughter or your mom or your sister. I think that would be really, really cool. It would just feel luxurious. You'll feel like princesses and queens. It's really nice. So if you want to use the Tatcha, the blah, 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 blah. If you want to use the Violet C as a replacement for a beauty treatment, if you want to replace a spa trip with it, it gets total high five, thumbs up for that. If you want to use it for the vitamin C, no, use C-Firma from Drunk Elephant. You can put it on your face every day and leave it there for the whole day. You don't even have to wash it off. So that is my advice to you. What's next, summer hens? Coming up, I have some really cool stuff for you. We have a review of the just dropped Sunkissed Glow Sephora Favorite set. It's like 7 highlighters in one box. It's crazy cheap. We're going to look at each one of them and see whether you want it. We are doing a how to make sure your makeup doesn't melt off. We are doing a special Mother's Day edition of Should I Buy This for my mom. She has some questions about lip plumpers. And speaking of my mom, I'm also going to do a full face of makeup using only my mom's stuff. It's going to be pretty exciting. If you have not yet joined our little coop, we would love to have you. It's a new channel. We're just starting to grow. We would love to have you here for the whole journey. So if you haven't yet subscribed, click subscribe and make sure to click the bell to make sure that YouTube notifies you when I have a new video coming out. Our mission here is to make every day just a little bit more beautiful. It has been wonderful to have you here. We are so looking forward to seeing you again soon. If you like this video, click like or leave a comment letting me know what you thought, what you might like coming up, and I will see you very soon.